Nvidia is the biggest graphics chip company on Earth, but it took quite a while to get there. Founded in 1993 by now CEO Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Priam, the trio of engineers were initially dedicated to building graphics processors for gaming and entertainment. The firm launched its first chip, the NV1, in 1995, though it wasn't much of a success. Video game maker Sega, impressed with the NV1's ability to run Sega Saturn games on PCs, stepped in to fund Nvidia's NV2 chip for the Sega Dreamcast. But Sega eventually moved away from Nvidia for a different company's card, and the NV2 never hit the market. In 1996, Nvidia launched its first Microsoft DirectX drivers, which are used to render 3D graphics. And the next year, Nvidia debuted its third card, the NV3, also called the Riva 128, which combined 2D graphics and 3D graphics capabilities on a single card. In 1999, Nvidia introduced the GeForce 256, which the company labeled its first GPU, and it packed a lighting and transformer hardware in one device. That same year, Nvidia debuted on public markets at a price of $12 per share. By 2000, Nvidia was strong enough to swallow former rival 3DFX and was chosen to power graphics in Microsoft's original Xbox console. And in 2003, the company's capabilities were on full display when it worked with Blizzard on the launch of World of Warcraft and NASA to build a photorealistic simulation of Mars. In 2005, Nvidia announced it would provide the graphics for Sony's PlayStation 3. 5 years after that, Nvidia's chips were landing in vehicles to power their interfaces. And then in 2015, the company launched its Nvidia Drive chip for powering driver assistance systems. The next year, Nvidia went all in on AI with its DGX-1 server for artificial intelligence applications. Since then, the company has continued to pour money into its AI capabilities. The company's stock price has matched that march, rising from $7.40 per share in 2016 to $70.25 per share by the end of 2018, thanks to its data center offerings and a run on graphics cards for crypto mining. 2 years later, Nvidia launched its RTX platform, which brought real-time ray tracing technologies to games and digital graphics spaces. The tech makes it so that lighting in graphics applications looks as realistic as real life, dramatically improving immersion. And this March, Nvidia debuted its first standalone data center CPU for artificial intelligence and high-performance computing, putting Intel directly in its crosshairs.